they have. It's a lot. Oh, I love these. I have to, this different Bacchia, I have to really figure this out. I had some. I ended up giving them to somebody when I moved, but they were struggling. So I really want to do research because I like these plants. I really do. Do you have one of these? If you do, put it in the comments and show me what it look like. But I feel like those, are those the ones that get bugs a lot? Get all them dead plants. So it was at this point that I seen something over in the corner on the left. You guys see it. Here it is. Too funny. It just made me say that. Y'all remember when she said that Tiffany Haddish in the movie she was in? That's just all broke down. Like, if I wanted to fight about a plant, this would be a good plant to get for the low because it's still healthy. It's just, look at this one. So the music was playing, so I had to voice over. So yeah, this bad boy was marked down 50%. And I noticed the little small one had roots and everything. And I'm like, okay, maybe we're good. And look, it has a lot of pieces of foliage that are coming out of the actual stem or the root or whatever you want to call it. And I think this is going to be a beautiful plant. I think that I am going to be able to make it recover and fix it and just feed it and do what I need to do to make it better. So you will see it once I get it home. See how the roots are just pulled out of the soil. So yeah, we're gonna get it together, and at the end you'll see an update after a couple weeks of it kind of being bottom fed and also fertilized. So continue watching. Small one literally was 19, and this one is like way taller. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited to go nurture it and care for it and put it in some new soil and some fertilizer, and yeah, see how it does. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so here's the one I just got for 19. That's the one that was, well, this was gifted. I didn't pay for it, but that one wasn't either. And that was 19, but this one was originally like 39, I think. 35 or something like that, but it ended up being 19. I repotted it. I put a little fertilizer in soil with perlite. And I did do a little bit of top watering, but I bottom feed this one. So I'm going to start bottom feeding this one. The next feeding will be a bottom feeding, but I wanted the soil to get a little bit moist to give it what it needs. And what I did was I put some water with fertilizer inside, the instant fertilizer inside the water in the soil. And then I just kind of wet the soil a little bit. So that's what